Duluth aerial left bridge. John D Leitch.
Yes, Bridge, I see you coming there. I'm going to let you get a little bit closer and I'll be out of your way in plenty of time.
Good morning, visitors. The Duluth area lift bridge is currently rising to its full height of 135 feet for the departure of the John D Leitch. We should be seeing the John D Leitch come through the Duluth Ship Canal in about 10 minutes.
Lenses are not as good for this photography, are they? It's kind of fun show.
I've now run out.
Oh, really? I don't even know how to think. Big boy.
Good morning, visitors. The vessel that you see departing through the Duluth Ship Canal is the John D Leitch. The John D Leitch was built as a Canadian Century in 1967 by Port Weller Dry Docks at Port Weller, Ontario, Canada. She measures 730 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. She's powered by a single 7,400 horsepower 5-cylinder Burmeister and Wayne diesel engine, which gives her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles an hour. She's also equipped with 1,000 horsepower bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. The John D Leitch has 22 hatches on her deck, which open into one cargo hold located below deck. This cargo hold gives her a maximum carrying capacity of 34,100 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,700 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Leitch is currently owned and operated by the Algoma Central Corporation of St. Catharines, Ontario, Canada, and she is departing heavy today with a load of iron ore pellets that she picked up at the Canadian National Ore Dock in West Duluth.
Thank you, Duluth aerial left bridge.
Hey, you guys have a good trip.
That one long and two short whistle exchange that you just heard between the John D Leitch and answered by the aerial lift bridge operator is the captain's salute. Once again, this is the John D Leitch, built in 1967, measures 730 feet in length, and she's departing today with a load of iron ore pellets from the Canadian National Ore Dock in West Duluth. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a good wave and wish them safe travels.